If you hate being invisible online but still want to thrive locally, then stick around. Let's get you noticed. First things first, claim your Google My Business listing. This free tool is a game changer for local visibility. Fill out every section: business hours, photos, and even those quirky questions customers might ask. Next up, get those reviews rolling in. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive feedback. Not only do reviews build trust, but they also boost your search rankings. Don't forget about local keywords. Sprinkle them naturally into your website content and blog posts. Think best coffee shop in Brooklyn or top-rated plumber in Austin. And here's a pro tip: build local backlinks. Partner with nearby businesses, join local directories, and engage with community blogs. These backlinks tell search engines you're an important player in your area. But hey, why do it alone? Authority Solutions can handle all these SEO strategies for you. Our experts are here to skyrocket your local search rankings while you focus on running your business. So, what are you waiting for? Visit authoritysolutions.com to get started today. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. Let's boost your local search rankings together.